So far today I got the new cowl pieces installed, which looks much better than those melted ones. Now I'm going to take the visor off so I can install one with the garage door opener, because that looks a lot better than having, it's a giant garage door opener thing hanging off of everywhere. It's pretty simple to install. All you just need to do is pull that down. It uses these same connectors as the factory visor light, so it is literally just a plug and play. This is pretty simple to take off. All you're going to need is a small screwdriver, pull these caps off, and then these are 7mm bolts here and here, and then the I already got this bolt out. It's a T25. Looks like that. Little torques bit. Get a driver and pull that out. Now you kind of want to make sure when you're taking out these 7mm bolts not to pull them out too far. They're kind of captured in place with this little washer thing. So if you pull them out too far, it'll just suck its way completely out, and these will drop down behind the dash somewhere. So just unscrew them just enough to get it loose, and that way the bolts will stay there for hold them in next time when you're putting it back together. Got the old visor out, sitting up next to the new visor here. They look identical, same color. So this one's got the garage door opener on it, and this one does not. So the connectors are exactly the same. Kind of upside down here. So the connectors are the same. Let me show you here how these plug into. You drop the headliner a little bit, and that connector there. So you just squeeze a little bit here, and you can pull it out and put it back in. Straight through the hole. Doesn't need to be going through this plastic thing in the roof. And there it is installed. Doesn't take much. Bolts right in, factory positions, and the garage door opener works.